Hey folks, today on Mara's Kitchen we are going to make a tortilla pizza. For me, I can't really have bread, so this is a nice substitute. And I'm using two to give it a little substance. So between the tortillas, I'll put a little bit of mozzarella. You can use any cheese that you want. You don't need too much, but you do need this layer in between the tortillas to kind of cement it together, glue it together. Unless you like extra cheese, pour it on, who cares? It's all up to you. For me, I don't do red sauce like normal people because I'm not a normal person. So I do a little bit of olive oil, just to give it a little bit. Now, I'm the type that likes to get my hands a little dirty, so to speak. Get the edges of the tortilla because it will roll up a little bit. There. Now we're going to add your toppings, and I'm making mushrooms, feta cheese, and spinach. I kind of came up with this spur of the moment. Like, oh, I really want a pizza. I don't have the stuff, and I found some extra cheese, and I just did it. For an extra little spice that I like to do, and I know you probably weird, but I add a little bit of hot sauce. And then bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. Get it on the edges. Have a little handful. This cuts with a knife when it comes out, or use your pizza cutter if you prefer. And voila!